We were planning on Michaela and Asta being about 20 minutes late, so...
They were the first ones here.
That is so funny.
What's funny is
We were so surprised when I pulled in the gas station and there they were. It's like, oh man.
you guys are too late. We already went on the trip. Sorry.
Well, yeah, too late. So, I haven't really said where we're going. We're going for a little drive, like normal.
There's Sungrass Winery up here. We could go do that.
There's some debate about what we're gonna go do.
No, we can't.
Looks like we're gonna go up to a place called Steliko Lookout, and it's up the Entiat. I've never been to it before. Tony and Devin have been up there before. They're kind of leading the way on this one, and I guess there's some side Jeep trails that are up that way. We're just gonna go take a look, and so it should be a nice trip because it is a beautiful, gorgeous day out. The sun is shining. There's very few clouds in the sky. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. More to come.
Oh, Asta.
Timber.
Hercules, Hercules.
Baby shark do do do, baby shark do do do, baby shark do do, baby shark. Mama shark do do do, mama shark do do do, mama shark do do do, mama shark. Daddy shark do do do, daddy shark do do do, daddy shark do do do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do do do, grandpa shark.
Well, there's a pretty clear path
So pull him out, Greg, just over to there.
for about 80% of it. There's only about 20% that you can't quite tell where it goes,
Kid,
but you can see how it's supposed to
pull
connect.
over to...
Hey, Dad, you look good in there. Let's switch.
Dad, it's a female.
Let's go. There it is.
It's a female. It's got no antlers.
Comes back.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I have lunch. Yeah.
Looks like you might have got stuck, caught. Let me see if I can move it. All the sawdust was hitting me in the face. We couldn't get through. It kept hitting the side of the on our roll top part, so Dad had to cut down that tree that was sticking out.
So we made it up to Steliko Lookout. As you can see it over my shoulder there. It's got a spectacular view. This is actually a lookout that you can rent. And so if you did, this would be the view you would have all around. That down there is the town of Ardenvor, which is a little town you pass when you're going up to the Entiat Valley. So it's a pretty fantastic view, almost 360 all the way around. Good parking spot back there for anybody that comes up. If you look across, about right there, about right there somewhere, that's where we were on the previous road, and we got stopped and had to come around and go all the way back out. But yeah, this is a pretty nice little tower. There's several of these, of course, all around the Pacific Northwest, among other places, and you can rent them. Tony and Devin actually rented this one earlier this week and came and stayed up here for a one night. So it's pretty nice. You got one of the best views you'll ever see. Totally worth the trip.
This one has LED strips they put up too, and USB power outlets, as well as a propane fridge and stove, which Tahi has nothing. There's no lights, no heat, no stove, no fridge. So
Oh,
this,
that is nice.
you at least have a fridge if you come up here.
Yeah, that is nice. How much do they cost to rent?
They increased it. It's $100 a night now.
Like, yeah, 95 a night.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of expensive.
But you don't get this view from a hotel.
No.
And then you can see Tahi Lookout. It's on that tall peak over there.
So Tahi, oh, that was that other one you rented?
Yeah.
Wait, you rented this?
Is that super
big
tall
one. Yep.
peak?
Yep, it's up there, and then you look straight down in the town of Brief, you can see it. It's like 10 miles.
What?
But it looks like it's real close. Like, and I think that's Mad River down there that you can see.
You rented that over there.
So this Entiat Valley goes up that way.
What?
But you take Mad River to get to Tahi, it just goes all the way back,
it
wraps
nice?
around, and then end up there.
Man, that looks so much taller than...
It's 6,400 or 6,500 feet, and this is like 3,000.
Oh, so it's over
It's twice
over
as
double.
high,
Oh
yeah.
my goodness. Well, that's cool. we'll have to go back up there just because I want to go take the kids, because last time we were up there they were really tiny. So
You can rent that one too, but it's a 2-night minimum all the time. This one you can rent single weeknights, but on the weekends it's a 2-night minimum.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, if you're looking for a wraparound porch, here it is. So yeah, it's a pretty spectacular spot. I think I would love to bring the kids up here and maybe check out Tai Mountain as well. Rent that one. I love it up there. It's super spectacular for view. It's a little bit less of spots that are things to go do here. At least you've got some area around it to hike. Up at Tai though, it's such a point, as you can see at in the footage. It's such of a point of a mountain. There's not actually a whole lot to go and do once you're there. So, you know, bring along a book. So we're coming down from Steliko Lookout. We're gonna go down into the Entiat Valley and find a spot to have dinner. It was a bit too windy up there. Just not a great spot to have dinner at this moment. If it was less windy, it would have been a really nice spot. I mean, that view is hard to beat. So yeah, now we're just gonna head down. I think we're gonna go to one of the campgrounds that is down in the Entiat Valley. There's quite a few of them, but we're gonna go to one of the close ones, have dinner. So here it is, Pine Flats Campground. It's got one massive spot right here with a really big picnic table. You can hear the creek just over the side over here. And but this is not the only spot. If you look back up there, you can see there is a table, and there's another table, and there's another table. So there's several small spots around here. It's got a bathroom right in the center. And I did see that we turned off up here, kind of where those signs are. If you kept going straight, there is more campsites up there. But yeah, this is a nice little pretty campground. Right in the middle of the Mad River Valley. I have never been here before in this particular spot, so this is pretty nice. So what are we having?
We are having hot dogs, and I cooked them in our jet boil.
Oh, nice.
Nice and easy, no cleanup.
That's what we want. Michaela, Asta, what are you guys having?
We are having turkey and mashed potatoes and salad.
Whoa.
Yeah, and I'm doing some grilled peaches with it.
Whoa. Fancy. Let's take a look. Wow.
Yeah. So hopefully, we're looking forward to it. Hopefully it'll be good.
So, Mom, what are you making?
I'm gonna have some bacon with mushrooms and onions melted with pepper jack cheese on my hamburger.
Wow.
Trying to do something a little different this time with some bacon.
Wow, that's good. Honey, they're making our hot dogs look bad.
Are they? What are you doing, Lori? I didn't hear what you said. Like I said, I feel lazy today. I'm being lazy. I don't want to do a lot of cooking and cleanup and
I agree with that.
time.
It's still gonna be good. We still have plenty of good meals. This time will just be a cheap one, and we'll look at everybody else's meal and be like, wow, they made some good stuff.
Is that good? Yum, 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 yum. Yeah.
All right, well, we're driving home now. We had a good dinner, and now we're just making our way. And that kind of concludes this trip. It was good. I think my favorite part was driving through one of those side Jeep trails with a bush. It was kind of funny. Got to play a little bit, moving some logs and everything. That was nice. Honey, what was your favorite?
Probably that area, the bush area, but we also got to see some deer. So a lot of the times that we've gone for drives during the day, we don't always see deer, so it was nice to actually see some, so that was fun.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. And
Please subscribe.